Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Grade 1. So now we are on chapter 8 that says who loves the trees the best. Okay, now we all love trees and we all know that the trees, they are of great importance. They help us in many ways. They give us medicines, they give us wood that is used for making furniture, then they give us shade and they give us oxygen. So this poem is about 4 seasons. We all know that we have 4 seasons in India: the summers, the winters, the spring and the autumn. Let's read the poem to know how all the seasons answer to the poet's questions who loves the trees best. Okay, so before that we have an activity which says, what do you think plant needs in order to grow? Do you think the plants, they need sun? Yes, they need sun. Do they need eggs? No, absolutely correct. Do they need soil? Yes. Juice? If you give them juice and not water? No, they want water. And then what's this? This is a tree. So do they need donuts like us? No. Air? Yes. So in the presence of sun, water, air and soil, we can have beautiful big trees. So let's read the poem now. Who loved the trees best? I, said the spring. Their leaves so beautiful, to them I bring. So now we all know that the flowers and trees, they all, the flowers, they bloom. And in spring season, we have beautiful flowers and we have greenery around. So the spring says that I love the trees the most because during spring season, they grow and, they gain beauty and they have different beautiful colors. Who loved the trees best? Now, when the poet asks who loved the trees best, Summer said, I give them blossoms, white, yellow, red. So the summer says that I give them blossoms. Blossoms, a flower or a mass of flowers, especially on a tree or a bush. So it says that, I let them bloom and they are of different colors, white, yellow and red. So bunch of flowers and that are of different colors. Bunch of, flowers and leaves. Who loves the trees best? I said the fall. Okay, so now the autumn says that I love the trees best. I give luscious fruits and what is luscious? Juicy and tasty fruits and bright tints to all, and I give them a beautiful shade, right? Who loves the trees best? Now the next one, when the poet says who love the trees best, I love them best. Harsh winter answered. So the winter said that harsh is, very rough or cruel. So the harsh winter says that I love the trees best because I give them rest. You all know that during winters, the trees and all the flowers, we do not have the flowering season. We have the flowering season in spring. So the winters, there's not much of greenery because of the harsh, the severe cold. So the winter said that I am the best because during my season, they take rest, right? So the different seasons, they had their different perception, they had their different thought process of saying that I love the trees best. All right, so that was all about the poem, and it is written by Alice May Douglas. Okay, so now coming to the next, we have the exercise. Which of the following words is spelled correctly? So what is the correct spelling? Which is the correct spelling of blossoms? B1. Which of the following words means the same as cruel? Cruel is harsh. Very good. We have the extract. Based on the extract, we have the questions. How many seasons are mentioned in the given extract? So the one is spring, the other is summer. So in the given extract, they have mentioned only 2 seasons. Spring brings dash leaves to the trees. Spring brings beautiful leaves to the trees. Next, summer gives rest to the trees, false. Find out a rhyming word of spring from the extract. So, which is the rhyming word for the spring? It is bring. Next, we have the question answers. The first, what does the poet mean by blossoms? Okay. So by blossom, the poet means that, it is during summers that, the flowers or a bunch of flowers, many flowers, they grow on the trees and they have different shapes. All the flowers, they bloom, right? And the flowers, they can be of different colors like white, red, and yellow. You can find flowers of different colors on the tree. What does winter give the trees? See, the winters are so extreme, so severe cold during winters that the plants, they cannot grow. They do not get the suitable climatic conditions. So all the plants and the trees, they rest during winters. What does spring give the trees? Spring is the main flowering season. So during springtime, we have beautiful flowers everywhere of different colors. And the trees also, they grow so well. The flowers of different varieties can be seen. So spring is the flowering season. So it gives flowers to the trees. Now, all the trees, they are at the beauty of their top. All the flowers are at the top of the beauty. I'm so, excuse me for that. What was the answer of fall to the poet's question? So the fall says, we'll all read, that during the fall is the autumn, when we do not have any trees around. The leaves also, they get yellow and it's all dry. Okay, the trees, they shed their leaves. So the fall says that I give luscious fruits during that time. Okay, so the luscious is the ripened juicy fruits. So that was all about the poem. Read the poem carefully, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.